So we need to compute the largest possible sum of the real and imaginary parts of 2 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega squared over 1 plus 2 omega plus omega squared if omega cubed equals 1 and omega is not equal to 1. So we're going to look at omega cubed equal 1, and this is the third roots of unity. We just subtract 1 on each side, and by the difference of cubes, this is implied 1 cubed, omega minus 1 times omega squared plus omega plus 1 equals 0. This gives us omega equal 1, but this can't happen because it's given that omega can't be 1. So we must have omega squared plus omega plus 1 equals 0. And this will be key to use when we're simplifying this fraction. So if we write 2 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega squared over 1 plus 2 omega plus omega squared, if we add omega, we actually get the omega squared plus 2 omega plus 1 is omega. So we can rewrite it like this. Okay. And then if omega squared plus omega plus 1 is 0, we want to eliminate this 2 because we have an omega at the bottom, and we want to eliminate that omega on the denominator. And so to get a 2 on omega squared plus omega plus 1, just multiply by 2 on each side. So 2 is negative 2 omega minus 2 omega squared, and substitute that in. Over omega, we get 3 omega plus omega squared over omega, and that's 3 plus omega. And this is the most we can simplify it. And since omega here has 2 possible solutions, and these 2 possible solutions are using by the quadratic formula, we get negative 1 plus or minus 1 squared minus 4 by 1 by 1 over 2. We get negative 1/2 plus or minus I root 3 over 2. So we'll either get 3 plus minus 1/2 minus root 3 over 2 I, or we get 3 plus minus 1/2 plus root 3 over 2 I. We see that since negative 1/2 minus root 3 over 2 will have the smallest sum of the real and imaginary parts, this actually can be excluded, and this is our answer, but we want to simplify it. We get 6 halves minus 1/2 is 5 halves plus root 3 over 2, and so that is 5 plus root 3 over 2, and that is answer choice D. And we're done.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.